Every finance professional you admire knows these 8 things: shortcuts, time value of money, net present value or NPV, IRR or internal rate of return, dynamic lookups, loan amortization, sensitivity analysis, valuation, and cash flows. By the end of this series, you won't just know Excel, you will think like an analyst. Welcome to episode 1 of the Excel for Finance series. And I want to start with something that sounds small, but it's the first thing that separates the beginners from an analyst. Watch how most people use Excel. Click, scroll, click again, hunt for the cell. This isn't just slow. In a live meeting, it makes you look like you don't even know your own model. Here is how it actually works. Click plus arrow key. Jumps instantly to the edge of your data. No more scrolling through 1,000 rows. Click plus shift plus N. Selects everything from here to the very last cell in one shot. Click plus semicolon gives you the today's date stamped in under a second. No more typing required. F4. This one's huge. It locks a cell reference without retyping a single dollar sign. Watch, D5 becomes $B $5 instantly, and Alt+E+S+V pastes value only. This is how you stop a perfectly good formula from breaking the moment you paste it somewhere else. None of this is a party trick. This is literally how analysts at Goldman or at McKinsey, at every serious finance desk move through a model. Speed isn't just convenience. In finance, speed is credibility. That's episode 1 done, but shortcuts are just the entry ticket. The real foundation of finance is a concept most people have never had explained properly. In episode 2, the one idea that runs literally every financial decision ever made, time value of money, will be discussed. Follow now because episode 2 builds directly on this.